Hey everybody, and welcome back to Psychology Geek. In today's video, we will look at these 5 habits will change your life. Before we go straight into the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Life is full of struggles, mood changes, swings, and many difficulties. The difference lies in these 5 habits that could change it. Why is this important? Because you live every second with yourself. And if you are proud of what you do and who you are, life gets way more accessible than you thought. With these 5 habits, getting physically and emotionally exhausted won't be in your dictionary anymore. 1. The past is over. If there is one thing we cannot do, it's go back in time and amend mistakes. Have a better life, give that last hug to your grandma, or buy Bitcoin when it was $1. You didn't do those things and cannot change in any shape or form. The thing that has happened to you also falls into the same category. You can't change them if you can't do anything about it. Why are they still there? Deep in your heart, in your mind, and over your shoulder. When you feel tired, you are holding that weight of too much past, and the past is gone. But you don't have to feel that way, because that person you were is no longer here now, making decisions that will affect your life forever. Nothing will come out of grieving the past, but a lot can change when you start moving more lightly, shoving off that big rock that you hold until this day. That's the first habit, letting go. You find a clearer sense of who you are, more stable emotions, and a smooth ride towards your goals. It completely changes you. If you can't stay focused and move on without those chains, freedom from that heavy rock is long overdue. When you get that sense of practice of letting go of all the things that don't define you and see through none other but yourself, the actual worth you have, it's a game changer. Life has lost so much weight since then, and you stop defining yourself for the things that have happened to you in the past. Those past traumas don't let you be the person that wakes up every morning to work on a goal that has a meaning. At the other side of that meaning, it's where your new life begins to unfold. The past is over, and the more you get that notion, the more you will live in the present, full of focus. Even nature can teach us a thing or two about it. Look at a dog playing with a ball. There is nothing to remember at that moment, just pure focus on the task at hand, getting what he wants. It's that simple to let go of the one that gets tired of dragging on too much past. 2. One step at a time. If you want money, thinking about being a millionaire is a far stretch. It's the best way to get even farther from your goal. Imagine your first day at a new sport, tennis, and your trainer, as soon as you grab the racket, says, "Okay kid, you will be the next Nadal." I was hoping you could wait a minute. I haven't even finished the first class. The amount of pressure there is terrible for your progress. The barrier gets too high, and absolutely everything you do won't make a mere resemblance to playing like Nadal, not even on the PlayStation. So relax. First learn how to get a good grip. Taking small goals is the key, as for everything in life. A big journey begins with one step, then take that step. Something you can achieve. That will fill up your confidence level, and once that's filled, you can keep doing that goal by goal. So no matter how small, it's always progressing. You don't need a whole master plan. If you want money, just go adding coin by coin. One day, you will see all that money you just got with attainable goals in a few months. Doable goals will set you apart in life and make you better. Little, by achieving all that seems too complex, it becomes more apparent. All those unreachable things are now possible. Roma wasn't built in a day. You either. You are who you are, with all those tiny spaces already taken, and you probably can withstand much more than you think. One of the best surprises we can give is to ourselves when we see all that we have achieved already, which lifts us and provides us with the pride necessary to embark on this journey. With pride, each step is yours. Let nobody be mistaken by who you can be, reaching goal by goal in your new life. So take the habit and enjoy small achievements, and puzzle by puzzle, a new life to embark on will take form. 3. Self-care. It's that new you. How often have you been there for somebody else, doing everything for somebody else, and being somebody else for, somebody else? Stop that else factor and come back here, because you need to hear this. You are the most critical person in this life, and you have to start proper self-care. We don't pay much attention to self-care, but eating well, exercising, reading, studying, and working hard can make us feel more alive than many nights at the bar together. That adrenaline rush when you are working on something you got your eyes on, that feeling good moments that inevitably come when you exercise and release all that energy into a positive place. Eating well is a no-brainer for you to be fully energized each morning. Life is already complex, and if you don't like your job or just love to sleep, snoozes are a common theme in the morning. But by eating well, at least they are voluntary snoozes, and not those you just suffer from not having enough sleep after a sugar bombing of snacks late at night. Having self-care also looks sharper, and the sharper you look, the more attention you will draw. Did you know that you can have a skincare as a man too? So for men and women and any living species that wants smoother skin, all those little boxes are checked, and ultimately they make you feel good. If you feel good, good things are coming, so that when bad things are around the corner, you can endure them with the strength a healthy body can give you. It's paramount to take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. That lasting smile on your face, that energy rush to enjoy the thing you love most are all testimonies of how you can outbetter day by day. The importance that you give to your own life and projects. There are enough people to keep track of. Start with yourself and you won't be missing anything. 4. Get up and move. Have you seen everything that happens to water once it stays still? It gets full of bacteria and is no longer safe for drinking, since you never know how much dust, debris, or small microscopic particles have gotten into it. We work the same way. The less you move, the more you get attached to your body and also to your mind. We are static most of the time, watching Netflix, scrolling social media, getting sad about something that happened 15 years ago. Many things stick with us and don't let us move. So, as our first entry, let go and move. When you get out there for a walk, you see new things and get the light you need to keep going towards your goals. It's always necessary to take a little break from time to time, and walking outside, getting some light, seeing the sunshine, and getting in touch with nature is how your soul can breathe a little. That little goes a long way to get the flexibility you need. Don't stay still. We can learn a lot. Imagine a river that stops flowing, becomes dirty and gets stuck. The water is not that clear anymore and the flow stops. As our emotions need a release, our legs need a walk. So getting out and enjoying the evening could give you a whole new perspective on that subject that has you worried. By moving, it starts to set things in motion. Not only things, muscles that improve stability, balance and coordination, help you sleep better, improve your mental health, and a couple of thousand benefits of moving and getting out. Like when you go for a walk as a kid, everything was a new adventure. Get that sense again and rest your head from responsibilities and pressure. Keep that pressure off and begin to have a new body and mood that only movement can bring. 5. Let your mind fly. We often dictate our life with what we got. If I am a lawyer and you ask me what other job I would like, I would start by thinking about another firm, always in the same direction. But I have never come across a change in my career dramatically. So maybe I am a pleased doctor, but I stay in the field because I think first with the facts at hand and not with my heart. This world is way bigger than us, and if we start to think about our future from an ideal perspective, we may be surprised about what we want. That lets us go the extra mile to make it happen. And when things that are new to us start to happen, then we can feel something big and fresh is going on. It's a life-challenging moment that could only appear because you let yourself dream a little. You never know what life can bring you or what you can do differently. So start by imagining your ideal situation and make that happen. Once you get there, it's all set and done to follow a new path you will love to explore. Because in that path, there is that ideal life that you will get. Reality check by reality check, one step at a time. Changing your life is not a small feat, but staying close to these habits is a difference you will accumulate daily. What other practices do you know? Tell us in the comments, leave a like and subscribe with that bell to not miss our following videos.